candidature, and at the time of withdrawal they say that it is valid, our forms were not valid. This is not accepted in any form of law. And secondly, we are having support of 7 associations. We are in total 12 associations for Goa Chess Association. We are having a majority, but they have taken this course and they have rejected our application, which is very legitimately wrong. So we can condemn that action of the secretary and the presiding officer. The presiding officer is the headmaster of a school. If he takes this type of decisions where he goes against the law, how the future of our students and Goa will be just unimaginable, because the decision taken by the headmaster, who was appointed as a presiding officer by the secretary Kishore Banekar as per the constitution, has gone unconstitutional, and they have rejected our forms. So we condemn that, and I personally say that the action of that headmaster is very wrong. The person who is teaching profession, and he is doing such a wrong deeds is not accepted. And as per constitution, we have filed the nominations. We are having all the details. We have all, as per the election notice also, we are having all the procedure which we have followed. Basically, when this election process was started in the first, he had changed the election dates. Then again, when we went for the collection of the forms at his address, we were not given the application form in the first case. Then he had amended the election, and again now he has changed everything as per his whims and his. So we condemn this.
Normally the election process, normally the election process of the GCA is 14 days. But here, earlier he had taken only 1 day. But now I don't know why he had to make it 1 month. Such a lengthy procedure. That is also questionable. We had questioned him, but he is to give us answer.
Here at present on this platform we are having 7 associations. Honda represented by Sagar Sakwadekar, Tiswadi, myself and Arvind. Salse, our secretary candidate from Salse. Mr. Vishwas Pevankar, our treasurer candidate, Bardesh. Mr. Shetye from Pendem Taluka. We are having Bicholim, representative Satyavan Harmalkar. We are having Kalidas from Satpuri. So we are having 7 associations with us, so out of 12. And one more from the other camp also has promised us for the voting. So, but at present we are 7. So we are having, there is no resolution that what he claims as a presiding officer, there is no resolution. We are having the that meeting minutes we are having.
See, there is a meeting. I am Ashish Kini, ex-president of Goa Chess Association and president of Salsit Taluka, and I was standing for post of secretary. So I have been there since 1998 with the association in various posts. See, as per the constitution, nowhere it is mentioned that 2 persons from one single taluka cannot contest. In fact, everywhere it is mentioned. Our constitution, we have got 12 talukas. From each taluka, 2 persons, 2 delegates were appointed by the executive committee of that particular taluka association are going on to the general body of they from the general body of Goa Chess Association. So 2 into 12, 24. Okay, 24 people are forming the general body of the association. Now out of this 24, they vote and elect the executive committee. Executive committee consists of the president, the secretary, the treasurer, 4 vice presidents, out of which specifically it is mentioned 2 vice president north, 2 vice president south Goa, and 4 joint secretaries, again 2 from north, 2 from south, and 1 treasurer and 1 joint treasurer. This is the executive, along with 1 delegate from each taluka. They form the executive committee. So executive committee is these particular elected posts plus 1 person from each taluka who is nominated. Now if case I am secretary and I get elected, then 1 more person from my taluka is also allowed to be there on the executive committee. Now what has happened is, there has been a meeting which he claims in 2017. In this 2017, it was held on 8th January 2017. First of all, the notice was given on 5th January 2017, which was not as per the rules. But he has sent that notice. In that, nowhere it is said that if from one taluka 2 people cannot contest. Nowhere it is said that. We will share that with you, that paper. Also, when he announced his elections, he gave a notice. Along with that notice, he sent the rules of the election. He has sent the rules of election. That also will be shared with you. Nowhere in the rules it has been said that you have got a copy of that.
Yeah.
Just show that one. See, in this, it is very clearly mentioned. The executive committee members of the newly elected committee of the affiliated association shall alone be eligible to file nomination forms duly authorized by the president or secretary of the responsible affiliated taluka association. Only 2 members of each taluka can file the nominations for the post of executive committee of Goa Chess Association. The one candidate can file multiple nominations, but not more than 3 nominations. The candidate who has filed more than 1 nominations has to withdraw nominations, which are more than 1, within time allowed to withdraw the same. That is on the candidate. In case one candidate fails to withdraw such more than 1 nominations, his nomination will be rejected. That means if I contest for 2 posts, if I don't withdraw 1, I will be rejected. Okay. Individual. Number 9 says 2 members of each executive committee of 12 affiliated, which are affiliated up to 31st March 21, who are not in default, shall be eligible for filing nominations and to vote in the election for electing the executive committee.
So this is all the taluka associations are affiliated.
In this, there is one more. The delegates, this is on the election provision in constitution from the notice which we are giving you. The delegates of this is 6B4 clause, 6B4 of the constitution. The delegates of the taluka association with voting rights shall alone have the right to contest the election for any post in the executive committee of the association and should be proposed for the said election by the affiliated taluka association. Then 42, election of the committee.
You can go to the details, we'll share it.
This
This
is circulated by him only, by putting clearly approved by Nilesh Kabra.
See,
Clearly.
any 2 executive members among 9 elected members of the executive members of the affiliated taluka chess association duly authorized in writing can be nominated to contest and vote for any post of the executive committee of the Goa Chess Association. And such nomination for the post of executive shall be made in the nomination form. Now he himself sent 6 nomination forms to each taluka association. He has sent by post, by email to download. Right?
And with the numbers, because that cannot be used by others. No, like we are two, we are five, both of us. So three each.
एक सांगपाक
Three
काय
is the
आसा
serial number.
एक सांगपाक हितून कशें आहा जाणा, जेणे आमी जे अनओपोज आयले आमचे नॉर्थ गोवाचे आनी जे इन फ्रे उरले इलेक्शनाक इन रनिंग तितून तेणें कितें केलें मेन पोस्ट आहा फॉर एग्जाम्पल बार्देशचो सेक्रेटरी ट्रेजरराक फॉर्म भरिल्ले तेणें बार्देशचो ट्रेजरर आमचो अनओपोज हाडूना तेणें जॉयंट सेक्रेटरी आमचो आशिल्लो तेका जॉयंट ट्रेजरर आशिल्लो म्हणजे तेणें कितें केलां जे पोस्ट अनइम्पॉर्टंट आहा म्हणजे सकयले आसा सबऑर्डिनेट ते पोस्ट तेणें काडले आनी जे इलेक्शनाक उरल्या तिंका वाटल्या म्हणजे त्या हितून सुद्दां तेणें इरेग्युलेटरी केल्ली आहा म्हणजे जी कमिटी तेणें काडटा आसतना बरे पोस्ट आहा ते आपल्याक दवरल्या आनी ती फक्त स्वार्था खातीर तेणें केल्लें आहा.
You are challenging this process.
Yeah, we are going through a proper process. We'll be going for our higher appellant body asa. Teja borobar. Then we'll take a legal.
So you people will go to AICF.
Yes, that is appellant body, our first appellant
We
body.
can go to AICF, we are also looking at the possibility of going to court.
So we are taking legal action of court.
But do you have a united house or divided house? Because your people are also given some votes, right?
No,
So are they?
it is this way now. That's what I am saying. In North Goa, there were no candidate of. They were not having any candidate for the North Goa, which are exclusively kept for the North Goa. They were not having
They were
because
not getting.
all 5 North Goa talukas are with us. Actually, we were all together 7. So
Two are from south.
plus one is coming to us. So altogether 7. So what he has done, whatever election which has come unopposed and which has been now for election process was there, he has done what? For example, Sakar Sakordekar was for the vice president. Amok Namshikar was for the joint secretary. If he has to give a post unopposed, then he should have given it for the higher post. But what he has done, he has given here. In the case of Bardesh Taluka, they have filed for the joint treasurer and treasurer. He has given joint treasurer post for the Bardesh Taluka, and he has rejected the form of our treasurer.
Before going to the court, do we wait for the AGM or before the AGM?
No, we have to go
Before the AGM.
We'll be going for before the AGM. We have started the process. We'll be giving our submission to the All India Chess Federation.
And one more thing, the declaration is also not correct. See, the meeting, sorry, the date of election is 22nd. Morning, time is there. If at all it is unopposed, then you don't declare it, you have to tell properly to all the candidates. He has not informed, he is directly going to the press and inform.
कोणे तो इन्फॉर्म केला प्रेसा वचून
He himself, Kishore Bande.
किशोर बांदेकर तो आता सगळं
See,
secretary
when he appointed a presiding officer, here in any case, presiding officer he should have even that Subhash Shirodkar, one Mr. Subhash Shirodkar, not to be confused by MLA, this MLA.
ही इज नॉट द एमएलए
Yeah, he is the one more headmaster from Vasco, Mata Secondary School also. He has not been, we have not been given his, shared his phone number on the, whatever he has said. His email has not been given.
So you people are facing all this problem. Why did you take it up to AICF before?
We have sent.
We are sending the submission to the All India Chess Federation.
Then we were not expecting this.
No, wherever he has told, we have protested, but saying he is doing all these things. Every time we have also written bills. Okay, we have done that.
So from here, you people have been up to date.
We are having all the documents with us, which we will be sharing now. We are taking proper course of action. We are going first to the appellant body, which is All India Chess Federation. Then we are taking legal course of action. But as of today, we are having the majority. We are 7 associations unitedly and sitting on this dais. So this is, we can challenge at any point of time. What we are asking for the All India Chess Federation to appoint their observer, and under their observation, this election has to be.
Election to be held.
This election has to be. Now, this election is not over. Election result declared will be on 22nd.
Okay.
Now, this what he has claimed or what press note he has given is illegal, because election result has to be declared after the election date. Election date is on 22nd. the what Mr. Subhash Shirodkar, the headmaster, has sent us the mail.
No,
copy.
he has not sent.
He has not sent through GCA. Is totally illegal. What he is saying that election may be result may be declared on 22nd in the meeting. He is saying there will be no election, which is wrong. The election officer has to give the elected
Certificate.
for all the candidates, which is not doing as per the records what we have received from the Goa Chess Association. The total whatever activity till today has been done by in this election process is totally illegal. We condemn it, and it is means we can prove it at any level, and we will be sharing all the mail references and whatever election notice he has sent to us. Plus, what we want to stress on one point is this chess association or chess as a game was promising like anything, and it was blooming. It has grown in such a manner. It is one of the best. It was one of the best associations. We had some differences, but we said we'll work together till the last our term, that is 2021. So now we have taken a decision because there were some irregularities which was followed by Mr. Panekar. So for that we have taken this decision. We have taken into confidence Mr. Nilesh Cabral. So we had said, and we had given the press notice.
Cabral was the president
Yeah,
last
we
time.
have given the press release also that we are supporting Mr. Nilesh Cabral. But Nilesh Cabral, as a president, he said he will be working only for 4 years, and he was not having time. We still asked him to continue, but he said no, he is not having time. And at the last moment, this Mr. Vinay Tendulkar came into the picture.
ओके तुम्ही म्हटला की काब्राल लास्ट आता इलेक्शन जावच्या पयलीं काब्राल हलो न्हू इरेग्युलरिटीज काब्राच्या टायमार हल्यो
न्हू काब्रालाच्या टायमार म्हणजे हो तो आमचो सेक्रेटरी आहा, आमी काब्रालाक सुद्दां सांगिल्लें काब्राल साहेबाक की पळय आमकां हो किशोर पानेकार म्हणटा तो नाका म्हणून.
तो तेज्या अंडर सेक्रेटरी हलो
हय,
प्रेसिडेंटच्या
president
अंडर
under.
म्हणजे तोय हलो तो इरेग्युलरिटीज
ना तो हे रिपात कशें आसता आतां आमचें एसोसिएशन खंयचें आहा न्हू एक तो करता आमी कितें मिटिंगेक मेळटा सगळें जाता डिसिजन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल काब्राल निलेश काब्रालान सांगिल्लें की आमचे 2 GM टुर्नामेंट जालो. पयलो GM टुर्नामेंट जालो आमी सादारण बरो पयसो सेवींग केलो. दुसऱ्या GM टुर्नामेंटाक तो पयसो पयलीं जो जमिल्लो न्हू तो पयसो अर्द्या पिशा मायट सोंपेलो.
कितलो तो
तो ऑलमोस्ट 40-50 लाख रुपया मोडलो.
कोणे मोडले?
तेच सांगता न्हू कमिटी.
प्रेसिडेंट आनी सेक्रेटरी
ना सेक्रेटरी.
एकलो सेक्रेटरी
But the
न्हू
buck stops at the chairman, no?
No, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. In the meeting, in the general body meeting, Mr. Cabral has instructed not to distribute money for the volunteers. What is the meaning of volunteer? Volunteer is a person from the association is has not to be paid. When you are paying a person, then he doesn't become a volunteer.
पात्रांव पूण हेची काब्रालाचे परमिशन नाका हेका हे
तेच
पयशे
सांग-
दिता
तेच-
जाल्यार
तेच सांगता न्हू तेच उलयता तेणे कॅटेगरीली सांगिल्लें की तूं पयशे पाठू नाका म्हणून.
सो काब्राल कितूनच ना
ना काब्राल
सेक्रेटरी एकलोच आहा
सेक्रेटरी तसो नसता पळय आतां कशें आहा पळय, आतां
पयशे मोडला तेन्ना सेक्रेटरी
आमी-
नेकल्यार
आमी
मोडल्या काय
हाडलें
म्हणटा मरे
objection.
असो
आमी-
नसता तसो
ना,
नसता
आमी
खूब
objection-
सांगता मरे
ना, आमी ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलें न्हू.
पूण मोडल्या मरे
हय, मोडल्या.
सेक्रेटरीन मोडल्या मरे
हय, secretary.
आनी प्रेसिडेंट उगी रावन पयले
ना ना काडला न्हू मिनिट्सान आहा ते
मागीर तूं इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करूंक ना
मिनिट्सान आसा ते त्या खातीर इन्व्हेस्टिगेट आमी तुका कितें सांगलें पळय हे चॅस हो स्पोर्ट्स आहा न्हू हो वाडटा आनी हेतून भुरगे खूब इन्वॉल्व जाले. आतां ऑलमोस्ट आमचे कडेन रेटेड प्लेयर हजरांनी आहा. कितें समज जायत न्हू आतां सुद्दां हे जे कितें केलां मोदेगात न्हू तेजेर कितें प्रॉब्लम जायत न्हू प्लेयर
आनी त्या भुरग्यांक बाळा
2 lakhs.
2 लाख ऑनलायन करपाक
ऑनलायन
Mismanagement.
आणि आम्ही तेका सुद्धा ऑब्जेक्शन आसा आमचे ऑन रिकॉर्ड आसा आम्ही हो आता आमचे आम्ही हे नवे ग्रुप कसो जाला आमचो हो त्याचं कारण फक्त ही इरिरेग्युलरिटीज आणि काहीच ना पर्सनल पाण्याचे काहीच ना.
तुम्ही इथे ऑब्जेक्शन हाडले जाल्यार तेका काडपाक प्रेसिडेंटाक पावना.
नाही,
ना
तो-
ना
तो
प्रेसिडेंटाक पावर ना जनरल बॉडी पावर
तुम्ही घालून
आम्ही तेच तुका सांगता न्हू आम्ही ही 2021 पर्यंत आमचो टर्म आशिल्लो तो कंप्लीट करपा खातीर आमी
But if
रावले.
you-
आणि दुसरी गजाल सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार आमी पयलींच सांगिल्लें की हे आमकां फुडें हो नाका म्हणून. हे आमी 1 वर्स पयलीं सांगा आतां कोवीड टायमा खातीर आमचो 3rd GM टुर्नामेंट जालो ना. एक सांगता आतां मनोहर भाई सुद्दां आशिल्लो हें करपाक दिवपाक आशिल्लें कितें चल्लां तें आनी निलेश काब्राल आहा जाल्यार गोंयांत अशें चलोवपाक दिवपाक त्या खातीर तो फाटीं सरला.
अरे
तो फाटीं
चलोवपाक
सरपाक
दिवपाक चल्ले मरे.
ना ना फाटीं सरलो न्हू तो.
ना ना पण त्याच्या पयले पयशे मोडले न्हू.
पयशे मोडले तेजें कारण तुका सांगलें न्हू. पयशे मोडटा आसतना आमी जनरल बॉडीन ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलें. कॅटेगरीली प्रेसिडेंटान सांगिल्लें की तूं पयशे 1 लाख रुपया तुका बजेट दिला, तूं 2 लाख.
प्रेसिडेंटाची शाणपणां चलना तर सेक्रेटरी फुडें अशें म्हणूंक सोदता मरे तूं.
आज
सारकें न्हू तशेंच जालें ना.
ना ना
प्रेसिडेंटान सांगलेलें म्हणटा न्हू तूं.
हय सांगलें.
मागीर सांगला आसतना देखून मोडले जाल्यार कशें तर.
तेच सांगता न्हू. तेका ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलां.
तें तुवें सांगपाचें.
मिनिट्सां आहा मरे ते. इट इज
नाही,
मिनिट.
तो एवरी टाइम कितें करता, कितें नोटीस धाडली, कितें धाडटा न्ही, तो तेचें नांव कोट करता. तुम्ही पळयला हांव क्लियर आहा. एवरी टाइम तो तेचें नांव कोट करता.
कोणाचें?
प्रेसिडेंटाचें निलेश काब्राल.
सो ही हॅज टू क्लॅरिफाय ऑल्सो ऑन दीस नो देन.
नाही, नाही,
तुम्ही सांगता
नाव
जाल्यार?
घेता आणि आमकां चूप करता. म्हणजे प्रेसिडेंटान सांगलें आणि आपण ते
But Imagine Cabral
दॅट्स वॉट
objected.
ऑब्जेक्टेड.
नाही, त्याने पर्सनली त्यांनी खूप फावटी सांगलें आमकां.
तुमकां सांगलें काय हांवें सांगूंक जाय जाल्यार तुमी सांगता पळय तें.
हय.
आयज तुमी सांगता काबरालांनी सांगून दी मरत.
At some point of time, you are
Ah, of
Cabral
course.
responsible.
काबराल इज ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल.
Full committee because I was also vice president.
असो तूंय रिस्पॉन्सिबल तर.
We are that's what we are objected for all this is misdeeds.
मागीर तुमी कंप्लेन कित्याक करना तर हेचेर इतलें जाल्यार तुमकां खबर आहा जाल्यार सगळी.
Misdeeds आसा न्हू मिनिट्साक
आतां
घातला.
इलेक्शनाचे प्रॉब्लेम जाला म्हणून ते राहणार तुमी ओगी
आतां
रावता.
म्हाका सांग इलेक्शनाचो प्रॉब्लेम आतां समज इलेक्शनाचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा न्हू वो आमी करूं ना. पळय आमचे कडेन 7 जाणांची मेजॉरिटी आहा. तेणें कितें केला प्रॉब्लेम न्हू तो अनकॉन्स्टिट्युशनल केला.
आतां तुमी कितें सांगता इतलें सारकें. हांव फकत एकूच कितें म्हणटा इतलो तेंप चल आतां चॅस टुर्नामेंट केन्ना जालो ऑनलायन बा.
ऑनलायन टुर्नामेंट अंदू जाला
अंदू जालो केन्ना तो.
2020 सालान.
बरें पूण बीच मान
जुलै ऑगस्ट.
जुलय.
जुलाय देखून जाल्यार आतां 1 म्हयनो ऑलमोस्ट हें जाल्यार तुमी उगी रावल्या आतां
ना
ताका.
आमी घालीत ना.
आता याला
कंप्लीट तुमी तेजेर एक्शन घेवंक ना आतां अजुनूय
पण
तेजेर.
आमी एक्शन घेता न्हू रे हीच एक्शन आमची.
हे आता-
आमी ताका 1 वर्स पयलीं सांगला निलेश काब्राल सांगला की आमकां फुडें हो नाका म्हणून. बाबा हो आतां ट्रेजरर आहा ना त्या कमिटीचेर ट्रेजरर आशिल्लो ताकाय खबर आहा आनी आमी वचून सांगला की आमकां हो फुडें
सो
नाका.
तुमी एक वरस देखून प्रेसा कडेन कित्याक घेवन आयज येयला थंय. हें भानगडी जाताले पळय त्यो.
खंयच्यो?
ह्यो आतां तूं सांगल्या पळय तुमी सगळ्यो. तेन्ना कांय जावंक नासलें आतां जालां सगळो.
ना 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 तेन्ना पासून झाला.
मागीर तूं कित्याक घेवन प्रेसा
आमी
कडेन.
सांगला मरे 2021 आमी 2020 सांगला की आमकां हो फुडें मनीस नाका.
हय रे तेंच हें आतां तुवें सांगलां पळय तशेंच प्रेसा कडेन कित्याक घेवन काय म्हणटा.
आम्ही किती-
तेन्ना येवपाचें न्हू तूं.
पळय ऐका.
आमी प्रेसाक पळयता कशें आहा तुका सांगता. आमी तुका सांगता.
आयज तुमकां घेयना म्हणून तूं प्रेसा कडेन येयला.
आमकां
तुमच्या-
घेवना. आमी तिंका घेवंक सोदिना.
तेंच म्हणटा असो तुमच्या भितर कन्फ्युजन
ना
जालां.
ना आमी तिंका घेवंक सोदिना. आमी
आता
ताका
पळय,
नाका.
आता मरे देर आर थ्री पार्ट्स. एक म्हणजे कितें आमी बेश्टेच प्रेसा म्हणजे फॉर पर्टिक्युलर रिजन प्रेसा वतात कळ्ळें. इफ समथींग कॅन बी सॉर्टेड आउट अबाउट दॅट कमिटी थिंग वी वॉन्टेड टू सॉर्ट इट आउट विथ दॅट. कळ्ळें तुका. आतां कितें आसा मेन इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग्स आर अबाउट दीस इलेक्शन. देर आर 3 बेसीक थिंग्स इश्यूज. वन इज अबाउट that it is not there in the constitution anywhere. Second thing is he has made them valid. They had given us when on the 5th of August candidates were valid candidates. He gave the list, means he informed us that all of them are valid. And on the 10th there is no scrutiny on 10th. He was just the withdrawals you have to remove whoever withdrawn. He has done scrutiny on 10th. How we can do that?
स्क्रुटिनी
And
डेट
third-
5 तारखेर जाल्या.
Scrutiny is on 5th. He has said, no, एक minute.
Yeah.
And third important point, third takeaway is that he has unilaterally decided, even if that thing is there, one person can tell, one person can contest from his taluka. Even if that clause was there, he should have informed us in the electoral these rules. He has not done. Constitution it is not there. And further, when 2 people have stood for the election, contested, he has on his own decision removed one person without giving any weightage to the other person. He can at least ask the association which person you want to represent. He has not done that.
Otherwise, as per the rule, both have to be disqualified. Both the
No,
nominee.
both or he has to ask association, no, whom you want.
No,
They personal.
my another question is the results which are announced on WhatsApp, right?
No,
No,
mail.
it is given to the press, no?
On mail he has sent, on mail he has sent. But he has sent at 7:45. He was supposed to release at 5:30.
5:30.
When we sent a mail again, myself sent a mail, Arvind
also.
sent a mail. At that time he has replied at 7:45 because he was manipulating the full process. And he, Mr. Kishore Bandekar, has not, see, normally before when the election took place, we had appointed Mr. Prabhakar Timle, who is a very reputed, who has been electoral officer of Goa government and all that. He is of course retired now. But we had appointed him because he had experience in all this. This person has appointed one of his own, I don't know what to say of him, one of his own friends or whatever, who has just listened to whatever he has told, and he has just taken a decision what secretary has told. There is no truth in this, and there is absolutely no honesty in this.
The previous election, how was it?
Pardon?
Previous election.
त्यात पयलींच तुमचे
Previous election.
आमचे फर्स्ट इलेक्शन म्हणजे गोवाच्या सिच्युएशन 12 तालुकाचे जाला न्हू पण त्या पयलीं खूब इलेक्शन जालें 12 तालुकाचे फर्स्ट इलेक्शन जाला तेन्ना किशोर बांदेकर वॉट 11 years and he got the entry by backdoor with disqualification.
There was one
And
Mr. Sanjay Kavekar who stood against him at that time, who was going to become secretary. And
Right.
Sanjay Kavekar had a majority. But this person disqualified him because he put pressure from All India Chess Federation at that time and said that he cannot stand.
But what will your members do, whichever committee or kitayda, whatever result could be? Since you all have told us about this corruption thing, what will your members do? Would you complain or investigate in this issue or file a complaint afterwards once everything is fallen into place? Or तुमचे कितें तूं म्हणटा पळय तो we were trying to sort it out. तें जालें जाल्यार उरलेलें सगळें विसर.
No, sort it out.
No. I've asked you. So तेजेर तुमी कितें वत्तले मागीर?
We will study the matter, no? Once if it comes
तुमकां खबर आहा मरे तोच सांगता मरे हाका खंय खबर आहा
कितें?
स्टाडी द मॅटर आनी म्हणजे तो जाणा मरे पळय सगळें.
आम्ही स्टडी मॅटर जे आसा अकाउंट्स वी डोंट हॅव एवरीथिंग नवा.
सो आतां तुमी शुअर ना तो रे खंय जाला जाल्यार
शुअर ना न्ही.
तो सांगता म्हणजे.
तें तशें न्ही.
हांवें तुका कितें सांगता पयल्या टुर्नामेंटाक आमी पयसो बरो बॅलन्स घालो दुसऱ्या टुर्नामेंटाक पयसो मायज खर्च जालो
40 लाख सुमार.
एक्स्ट्रा म्हणजे तो हांवें तुका म्हणटा 40 लाख मायज खर्च केलो
40 तर.
हय तो करता आसतना कारण कितें सांगलें तुका हांवें फॉर एग्जाम्पल जे वॉलंटियराक पयशे दिवपाचें ना म्हणून कमिटीन ठरयल्ले ते पयशे तेणें वाटले आपले कोण आसा जे आमचे एसोसिएशन बारीक मेंबर आहा तांकां सगळ्यांक व्हॉलंटियर म्हणून ताणें पयशे दिले कळ्ळें ते आमी हितून एलाव करूं नाशिल्ले पास करूं नाशिल्ले सँक्शन करूं नाशिल्ले सो ते तेणें पयशे वाटले ते आतां पयशे वाटले तेजेर आमी ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलेलें आहा.